Choosing the right patio door material is one of the most important decisions Houston homeowners can make. With intense summer heat, high humidity, heavy rain, and the occasional hurricane threat, patio doors in this region must do far more than look good. They need to resist moisture, handle temperature swings, and remain reliable year after year. The right material can mean fewer repairs, better energy efficiency, and lasting peace of mind. Below are the best materials for long-lasting patio doors in Houston homes, explained with durability, comfort, and long-term value in mind. Vinyl patio doors. A smart choice for Houston's climate. Vinyl is one of the most popular patio door materials in Houston, and for good reason. Vinyl doors are naturally resistant to moisture, which makes them ideal for humid environments. Unlike wood, vinyl won't rot, warp, or swell when exposed to rain or high humidity. Vinyl patio doors also provide excellent insulation. They help keep cool air inside during scorching summers, which can lower energy bills and improve indoor comfort. Another major benefit is low maintenance. Vinyl doors don't need painting or sealing, and simple cleaning keeps them looking new for years. For homeowners who want durability, energy efficiency, and affordability, vinyl patio doors are often the top choice. Fiberglass patio doors. Built for strength and stability, fiberglass patio doors are known for their exceptional strength and long lifespan. This material holds up extremely well in Houston's extreme temperatures and doesn't expand or contract significantly with heat and humidity changes. Fiberglass can be designed to mimic the appearance of wood while offering much better resistance to moisture and cracking. It's also highly energy efficient, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures even during peak summer heat. While fiberglass patio doors may cost more upfront than vinyl, their durability and low maintenance often make them a worthwhile long-term investment for Houston homeowners. Aluminum patio doors. Sleek and weather-resistant aluminum patio doors are valued for their modern appearance and impressive strength. They resist rust and corrosion, which is essential in Houston's humid, coastal-influenced environment. Aluminum frames are also slim, allowing for larger glass panels and unobstructed outdoor views. However, aluminum alone is not the best insulator. Many modern aluminum patio doors now include thermal breaks, insulating barriers inside the frame, to improve energy efficiency. When designed properly, aluminum doors can be a durable and stylish option, especially for contemporary homes. Wood patio doors. Beautiful but high-maintenance wood patio doors offer unmatched natural beauty and classic charm. They can enhance curb appeal and add warmth to a home's interior. However, in Houston's climate, wood requires careful consideration. Humidity and moisture can cause wood to swell, rot, or warp if not properly sealed and maintained. Regular painting or staining is necessary to protect wood doors from the elements. For homeowners willing to commit to ongoing upkeep, wood patio doors can still be an option, but they are generally less practical than vinyl or fiberglass for long-term durability in Houston. Composite patio doors. The best of both worlds. Composite patio doors combine materials like wood fibers and resins to create a strong, stable product. These doors are engineered to resist moisture, insects, and temperature changes, making them well-suited for Houston homes. Composite doors often deliver the look of wood with far less maintenance. They are energy efficient, durable, and designed for longevity, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking performance without constant upkeep. Choosing the right material for your home. The best patio door material for a Houston home depends on your priorities, whether that's energy efficiency, minimal maintenance, modern style, or classic beauty. Vinyl and fiberglass tend to offer the best balance of durability and performance, while aluminum provides a sleek aesthetic and wood delivers traditional appeal. By selecting a material designed to withstand Houston's demanding climate, homeowners can enjoy long-lasting patio doors that enhance comfort, protect their investment, and add value to their home for years to come.